Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has just launched, and Samsung rolled out the update for the S23 series, including S23 and S23 Plus. And with this new update, we can see some bug fixes. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Now, what is included in this new update? As this is the first ever update on Galaxy S23 Ultra, well, it is a security update but with some bug fixes. The update is rolled out in most of the European countries, and if you haven't received it yet, then you will get in a couple of days. The update size is 567 MB, so it must pack some of the bug fixes that you might find on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to update, we will get bug fixes, new and enhanced features, also further improvements in performance. Let me know in the comments, did you guys get this update on your S23 Ultra, and is there any change you notice on your S23 Ultra? According to Samsung, Galaxy S23 Ultra we're going to get 4 major updates, which means S23 Ultra launched on Android 13, and the last possible update will be Android 17, which is really good. There are some people who are facing some issues related to battery on S23 Ultra, and if you really do, I would suggest you to update and then see the difference. There are some bugs in the One UI 5.1 which needs to be fixed, as S23 Ultra battery can easily beat S22 Ultra and matching the battery performance of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and potentially become the best Android smartphone with the best battery numbers. Also, the charging speed is just an added point. Some of you guys might have faced issue with camera stabilization on your S23 Ultra, where you noticeably feel the difference. Although S23 Ultra comes with one of the best stabilization, but due to some software bug, it is not working properly. Hopefully, Samsung fixed this camera issue with this S23 Ultra update. One UI 5.1 is not fully optimized yet, but still have less issues when we compare to the launch of Galaxy S22 Ultra, where we get display issue at first, and it was fixed with the software update. Now, if you guys want to update, just go to your settings, then go to software update and check for update. If you have it, then go ahead and update your S23 Ultra or S23 or S23 Plus. If you guys want to see the battery life of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.